Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn WordPress CRUD operation by plugin. First of all, let's create a folder in plugin directory. The name of our plugin is CRUD operation, and create a index file. This is our main file of this plugin. First of all, we have to include plugin comments. You know that this is plugin name CRUD operation. Next, we are just giving the description. You will include all the necessary things as your plugin would be. I'm just fill up necessary things. And the text domain. WP CRUD operation learn according to your plugin, and this is a language file. We need to create a folder. Okay, our plugin is here. We can activate it and deactivate. It's working. In the next, let's some checkings of user. If not defined, constants name, this is ABS path. Exit. Let's include our database file. Before including, we are checking that is file exists or not. We know that into creating plugin and getting external file, we need to use plugin dir path. Here is the file path. Okay, now recur once, and the same directory we have already used it. If we don't find the file, else file not exist in error log. Now we are restarting our activation hook. When we are going to activate our plugin, this hook will be triggered and our table will be created by this hook. File, callback function, and we must prefix by our plugin name or text domain. This is so there will be no conflict with another plugins. Let's create a database file under includes folder. Let's create a function with this callback name. Get the instance of WPDB. And get the table name. We need to get a prefix, table prefix. Here is the name of our table. Character set. Now we will write our SQL query. Create table. We got the table name earlier. ID. This will be our primary key. Obviously not null. Name, varchar, you can use tiny text also. Let's run it. And not null. And email also varchar and same. I think it's okay. Primary key is ID. Character set. Okay, let's get the upgrades file. WP admin includes and upgrade.php. db delta, here is our SQL query. Okay, we are all set. It's time to check. Let's go to the WordPress admin panel. Okay, activate. Okay, our plugin is activate. Let's check in the database. Okay, see, our plugin is created. Okay, we have finally successfully created our plugin with the custom data table. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Next video we will learn to show data from database in our admin panel, WordPress admin panel. Thank you. Bye.